Yep. Soon as I get my planner, I take it apart. Yep. Now, you might be wondering, why did I take the gold pages out of the front of my planner? Simple. Because I did not want my vision and goals buried in the front where I only see them once or twice a year. Instead, I keep them where I can see them daily as a constant reminder what I'm working towards. My goals are everyday reminders that keep me focused, motivated, and intentional about every action I take in my business. Before setting my goals, I take a moment to define my business vision. For me, BIM for Travel is more than just about booking trips. I want to create unforgettable travel experiences, educate my clients on stress-free vacation plannings, and build a brand that inspires people to explore the world in confidence. Your vision is your why. It's what keeps you motivated when things get busy and helps you attract the right clients. So take a moment and ask yourself, what kind of travel business do you truly want to build? Once my vision is clear, I set my revenue goal. This year, my revenue goal is $100,000. This isn't just a number, it's about creating financial freedom, growing my brand, and helping more clients experience amazing vacations. To get there, I will need at least 100 bookings at my average commission rate. And that means I need to plan to generate at least 500 quality inquiries because we know not every lead turns into a booking. Breaking this down into quarters makes it more manageable. For January through March, my focus is on securing 25 bookings and growing my email list to 625 new subscribers because building an audience is key to long-term success. But writing down a goal isn't enough. You have to map out how you're going to make it happen. So I create a plan for attracting new leads by following up with past clients and positioning myself as a go-to travel expert. Taking the time to create a vision and set goals isn't just a nice exercise, it is essential. Without a clear vision, you're just reacting to opportunities instead of intentionally building a profitable and fulfilling business. And in this industry, we don't do hope marketing, we make it happen. So, if you haven't set your vision for 2025, grab your planner and start today. Write down what success looks like to you. What kind of business do you want to build? And how do you want to show up for your clients? And don't forget, put your goals somewhere you can see them every day.